Hi everyone, I'm Shreya Bhagat. In this video, I'll be talking about components of SenseNet's setup of Wireless Sensor Network WSN. So what is SenseNets? SenseNets is an advanced and compact WSN research platform. This platform is useful for academic, research, and industrial applications to benefit students, faculties, and scientists across various domains. It is seamlessly integrated with sensor node to monitor as well as program for various applications. It gives various features like easy to use APIs, user friendly GUI, real time sensor data analysis, C based programming, and easily modifiable source code. The various components of SenseNet setup are of two types: sender node and data logger. Sender node comprises of battery module, radio module, gateway module, and sensor module. And the data logger comprises of battery module, radio module, extender cable, and computer system with SenseNets installed. The radio module comprises of microcontroller and an integrated transceiver for processing, sending, and receiving the data. It has a clock speed of 1 to 32 MHz. It has 256 KB flash, 32 KB RAM, and 4 KB EEPROM. It also has integrated PCB antenna. Battery operates between 2 volts and 3.6 volts. The various gateway modules are USB gateway module, Ethernet gateway module, Wi-Fi gateway module, and 2G 3G gateway module. USB gateway module programs the microcontroller and acts as an interface between the network and PC. The USB protocol is handled by the device itself. The Ethernet gateway module has 8 KB transmit receive packet dual port SRAM. It has configurable transmit receive buffer size. It is integrated with SenseNet's radio module with SPI interface, and the temperature ranges from -40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. Wi-Fi gateway module is a low power Wi-Fi networking module. It has integrated SPI serial flash for software. It includes support for all Wi-Fi security modes including Open, WEP, WPA, and WPA2 PSK. It has integrated 1 MB flash memory and 128 KB SRAM, and the operational temperature ranges from -30 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. 2G 3G gateway module is a SIM-based solution which helps in receiving and sending data from various sensors communicating using 802.15.4 to Internet. TL sensor module measures the temperature and light intensity for environment monitoring. Temperature ranges from -25 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius with 12-bit resolution. Light ranges from 3 to 64K lux with 16-bit resolution and excellent IR UV rejection. The shutdown current is about 1.5 microampere. Gap sensor module provides the complete solution for motion and positioning applications. It houses a GPS transceiver with an integrated antenna, an accelerometer, and an interface for a PIR sensor. HTP sensor module enables an application designer to implement a weather or environment specific application with minimal efforts. Sensor HTP is capable of gathering the information of relative humidity, barometric pressure, and ambient temperature. The humidity sensor provides digital output with a 14-bit resolution. Pressure sensor outputs the barometric pressure in 24-bit resolution. Hardware interrupts in order to update the microcontroller about any critical events. The camera module supports standard baud rate from 9600 to 1,15,200 baud. Current consumption is of about 80 mA approximately. CO-CO2 sensor module. The concentration detection ranges from 350 to 10,000 ppm for CO2 and 20 to 2000 ppm for CO. Input voltage requirement is of 6 volts and current requirement is of 200 milliampere. The operating temperature ranges from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. The extender module extends all the pins of the microcontroller on a board and provides access to users if needed. This makes it easier to connect external sensors and devices, debug hardware checking output on DIOs and other ports, and access ADC, SPI, UART, I2C, and PWM generators. The SenseNuts toolchain provides the user with all the software support required for developing applications on for SenseNuts WSN platform, viewing live data and analysis. It is accompanied by an intuitive GUI which is used for programming the modes and displaying data from the sensor network. Loaded with immense features, it enables the user to focus on the research in WSN domain and realize their algorithms by real-time implementation. Users may easily develop proof of concept designs for IoT applications. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please click the like button.